So then that leads us to the question, like, how do you breastfeed a sleepy baby? And again, that can happen for a variety of reasons.
Yeah.
So sometimes just undressing them, right? Exposing them to like the room and air temperature. That way they get a little bit cool, just feeding them in their diaper. What's great about when you're breastfeeding is, like, and really, like, our breasts are awesome. So they will heat up and cool down to make baby comfortable. So even during those, like, colder times of the year, you know, we'll be able to keep them nice and warm while they're figuring out how to eat. You know, rubbing their backs and their legs, stroking a finger between their, you know, cheek and their ear, talking to them. Doing what Ellen showed earlier, some of that hand expression so that they can smell your milk and lick it and taste it can sometimes perk them up too. So trying some of those things to really keep them awake and alert, tickling them on the bottoms of their feet, just rubbing a little finger along that. All those sorts of things can kind of help to wake up that sleepy baby and get those early calories that they need.